Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get statements from Bank of America app. Open the app by tapping on it. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a menu option at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on Menu. Under Menu, you will see an option for Statements and Documents. Tap on Statements and Documents. On this screen, you will see a section for Statements. Beside it is a drop-down arrow. Tap on the drop-down arrow to view the list of statements. Once the list of statements appeared, tap on the particular statement you wish to get. That's how you get statements from Bank of America app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.